Let's try this one. Yes or no? So stand up 2 feet. Our 5-year-old little boy served with a shark.
What? What is that?
Good morning from Hawaii.
How do you feel about this?
I mean, I know there's sharks out there. Like, it's the ocean.
Did you see that it was in the news? It was something along the headlines of boy surfs with shark, internet calls dad irresponsible.
There's a lot of things that like really upset me sometimes when the internet comes after us, and this wasn't one of them. This was one where I was like,
We know he's irresponsible.
no, but he
I'm just
was he was so safe.
Yeah.
So safe, and he handled it perfectly.
I would actually say, because I love sharks, I think sharks are nice, but Callie with his tiny little toes, he's a small human, I was worried. It might be the most nervous I've ever been around the shark, knowing that a shark was where it's not usually, it's pretty close to nighttime, the sun was going down, Callie falls off the board with his little fishy toes. You just never know, like I didn't want him to get like nipped.
Yeah.
So this is what happened. Alright guys, we're gonna try this very small wave. Oh, you're in the perfect place. Perfect. Okay? Let's give it a try. Start to paddle a tiny bit. Yeah. Perfect, buddy. Hey! That was a great one.
Dad,
Yeah.
I want to find another wave like that.
You like that one?
Yeah.
That was a good size?
You know why? Because I only like the one that like the jets don't turn into like circles.
Oh, you don't like the barrel?
Yeah.
That-
We're shaking wet when they do.
This shows that they got barrel. Wait, is your hair not even wet? Start the paddle. So I pushed Callie into a wave, a great wave. I think if you listen carefully, he was yelling jackpot.
Yeah.
Mid-wave. It was a jackpot wave, Callie. Then towards the end of the wave, you can see a moment when his eyes lock in front of him because he sees the fin swimming around. Sits on his board and he won't like break eye contact with the shark, so much so that he doesn't see a second wave coming in from behind him that knocks him off his board. Can you imagine being 5 years old, seeing a shark in the water?
I mean, if it was
and
me,
getting
if it was
knocked
me,
off?
I would have been like, ah.
What? What? What is that? What? What is that?
You went so far again.
No, what was that?
Huh?
What was that?
What was what?
I saw a big thing up at the top of the fish.
Oh, is it the fish?
No, it was a big one.
What was that? But he doesn't panic. I'm so proud of him. He doesn't panic. He just starts yelling, "What was that?"
I think my favorite, I just think he handled it so well. I'm so proud of him for not freaking out, getting on his board, and then also not taking your BS of like, maybe it's a manta ray. No, I know you were trying to not freak him out, but like the dude wasn't buying it.
Well, at first I didn't believe that there was a shark until our neighbor up above watching us surf yells down to me, there's a shark right there next to you. And you see me kind of nervous laughing. And then I'm just like, stay calm, Callie, come with me. What was that? We can't get out of the water right there. We have to go out and around to
Yeah.
the sandy area. So I get Callie, holds onto my leash, and I paddle him out and away to safety. We get
I
out of
think
the water.
everybody handled it like champs. I think it was great. You handled it well. Callie handled it well. You got him out of the water. I mean, and then this shark has kind of become like a little resident
Just chilling
of
back
the
there.
water here.
And do we keep
And-
surfing?
We do keep surfing.
He's our buddy. But I agree with you. My favorite part of it is when I was trying to be like, Callie, maybe it's a manta ray. Maybe it's a whale. And he just
He's
really
like,
knows his
it's
oceanic
18
animals.
inches of water, Dad? No. Why would it
He
be
was
a
just
manta
so
ray?
logical.
He was so low. I mean, anyway, I think he handled it well.
More of the story. Good job, Callie. You're brave and you're smart.
Maybe a manta ray.
Why would it be a man? A whale wouldn't. A whale wouldn't be it because a whale is only like high out there.
So I need to explain the one thing that I love more than surfing. Do you know what it is?
Surfing with me.
Surfing with the people I love. Whether I'm surfing with my friends, my kids, or you. I love it more than surfing by myself.
Guys, Mom's gonna get first wave of the day.
It's okay. We'll do that. Ready, Dad?
All right, go for it. You good? Perfect. And up and over. You're by yourself, guys, so paddle hard. There you go. Up and over. Okay, now paddle as far as you can, all the way to Minot. That's it. Where are you going, bud?
How do I say this?
All right, grab my leash. Rudy, turn around. Wait, out here. Right. Okay, don't get this one, the one after it.
Okay.
Right?
Is it one way?
Yeah. Okay, paddle to your right a little bit. Yeah, this way. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, I woke up feeling grateful, thankful. Everything that I prayed for came so. Yeah, I woke up feeling grateful, thankful. Everything that I prayed for came so. I be feeling so grateful, got me feeling so grateful. Yeah, I woke up feeling grateful, thankful. Everything that I prayed for came so. I be feeling so grateful, got me feeling so grateful. Okay, I dream in color, but I live in moments. I see the world in stories, so I always told them. I think I always had a knack for love. Only thing is I ain't know it, but it's funny how it changed when you notice it. Or how you gotta let go to get a hold of it. Homie wrote a spliff up, feeling like I'm 6'1", even though I'm 5'8". It's a mind state, and you know I'm 10 toes down for you. Ocean blue, we can roll with the crew. Spread love like we supposed to do. Can we been have blessings, but it's loads of new ones. It's on their way still, so on my grave, just tell the world I'm grateful. I always got a seat at my table, so you can pull a seat up. I know I don't sleep much. Every time I do, when I wake up, I'ma breathe. Cause I woke up feeling grateful. Yeah, I woke up feeling grateful, thankful. Everything that I prayed for came so. I be feeling so grateful, got me feeling so grateful. Yeah, I woke up feeling grateful, thankful. Everything that I prayed for came so. I be feeling so grateful, got me feeling so grateful.
I've been living in my own head, thinking all these bad thoughts, comparing all the halves with the have-nots. Maybe that's the reason I've been feeling ungrateful.
Dad! I got barrels! Oh, turtle! Oh! That's right me!
I ain't coming down. Why would I need to? So much of this world is above us, baby. They might tell you that I went crazy. I know we try, and the days they go by until we get home. There's water in the flowers, let's grow. Let it be. Today, let me.
How was it?
Really, really good.
I couldn't believe it. Up and over or duck dive? Yeah. Wow. Okay, Kai, you're in a good spot, okay? You're in a good position. And this is a small wave. Okay?
Dad,
Yeah?
I think turning is good.
You think what is good?
Turning.
Oh, turning is very good.
You know why?
Why?
Because I feel like if you go and there's rocks and it doesn't stop, you can win so the rocks doesn't get you.
Exactly. Next, I want you to practice turning. Just leaning just a little bit. Don't lean so far that you fall over. Just a little bit so you go either to the right or the left. This is the one that you can practice leaning and turning.
Everything that I prayed for came so.
I've been feeling so grateful.
Got me feeling so grateful.
Yeah, I woke up feeling grateful.
But let me explain what I love specifically. Okay, so honestly, it's like its own skill in sport to like safely guide someone into a wave. But my favorite part,
Oh, you've gotten so good.
my absolute favorite part is after a good wave, the smile on the person's face as they paddle back to you. You know what I'm talking about?
Or I turn around but every single one of us turns around to look at you for validation or a good old fist pump.
No, it's just...
Or the kids will go like this, like I'm okay, and you can just see on their face, everyone's face, like, I got a wave.
I remember the moment when you had probably your best wave to date and you turn around, the smile on your face was glowing all the way from that distance. And I thought to myself, I've worked so hard for this moment to get Jessica to love surfing, feel the joy in the surfing. Oh, that's a smile I'll never forget.
I could watch you for a lifetime. You're my favorite movie.
thousand endings. You mean everything to me.
But each person in the family has like their version of that smile. Callie does a cute little like fist pump. He gives me a good thumbs up. Dorothy also with the good like thumbs up and just glowing smile ear to ear. But Manila's might be my favorite because he's such like a humble, shy kid that his smile is just kind of like a tight-lipped little knows how awesome
But
he
you
is.
normally have a GoPro on the board, and sometimes he's just talking to himself, going back.
Like, I don't know, I wonder what he's saying, because he'll literally to himself. Like, the audio doesn't pick it up, and it's just like, that was sweet. I'm awesome.
You are a cinema, I could watch you forever. You are a cinema, a Hollywood treasure. I love you just the way you are, a cinema, a cinema.
That's my favorite part, is the smile after a really good wave.
All right, should we paddle out? All right, go get your leash on.
Right foot.
Left foot. Goes on your back foot.
I don't want to walk right now. This is right.
Hey, good job. Hop on fast, okay? Okay, go for it. Hop on. All right, you ready? Okay, see this one coming? We're gonna go up and over. One foot forward, one foot. Yeah, like that. So remember, this one should be in the back. Ready to eagle fly? Lock in. Yeah, sunrise.
Was a good one.